Take a deep breath. Inhale and deep exhale. Deep inhale and deep exhale. 3 times Om chanting. Everyone inhale and now start. Inhale. Inhale. Rub your palm and make a heat. And place your palm on your eyes. Relax your eyes. Relax your mind. Gently open eyes and just look up at your palm. Smiling face and then just relax. Place your palm on your knee. So we'll start here with some neck movement. Everyone inhale and look up. धीरे से slowly. Exhale. Look down, chin to the neck. Again, inhale. Look up. Shoulder away from the ear. Exhale. Look down, chin to the neck. Inhale, look front. Exhale, turn your head on the right side. Inhale, center. And exhale, turn on the left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, again, turn on the right side. Inhale, center, and exhale, turn on the left side. Inhale, center, exhale, drop your head on your right shoulder. Inhale, center, and exhale, drop your head on the left shoulder. Inhale, center, exhale again on the right shoulder. Inhale, center, and exhale on the left shoulder. And then relax everyone. Place your both hands behind your hip. दोनों हाथ आपके हिप के पीछे. Some basic form. Inhale, lift your spine. Spine को lift कीजिए. Exhale, drop your shoulder, push your chest front, and then look up. Stay here. 1. Awareness in opening your shoulder and your upper back. 2. And breathing. 3. 4. 5. 6. Inhale, वापिस आइए, come back. Exhale, palm on your knee. Squeeze and look down. Good. Make a finger lock from a back side. The second practice for opening shoulder upper back. Inhale. Lift your arms. Exhale. Drop shoulder and look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale and bend forward. Drop your head down. Push your hip down. Inhale, come back. One time more. एक बार फिर. Exhale. Drop shoulder and look up. Stay कीजिए. Hold it. 1. Awareness in the opening your shoulder and upper back. Everyone. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Then try to be bent forward. Everyone. Same. Try to lift your arms as maximum you can. But remember to push your knee and push your hip down. 4, 5 and then 6. वापिस आइए. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Open arms your shoulder level. Some gentle side bending. Left hand on your right knee. Right hand up. Inhale. Stretch your right arm and exhale. Then bend on the left side. Stay कीजिए. Hold it. 1 and breathing. 2, 3, 4. Suck your belly inside. 5 and 6. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Some gentle warm up routine. Right hand को left knee पर लेके आइए. Right hand on the left knee. Left hand up. Inhale. Stretch your left arm. Come on everyone. धीरे धीरे. Slowly just bend on the right side. Try to keep your both arms straight. 2 and breathing. 3. Push your left knee down. 4, 5 and 6. Good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, then relax. Both hands up now. Finger lock, palm facing up. Inhale. Exhale again. Bend on your left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on your right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, once more, bend on the left side. Inhale, come back. And exhale, bend on the right side. Inhale, वापिस आइए, come back. Exhale, bring your both arms down, relax your arms. Keep your legs straight now. A little open legs and move your legs. Relax कीजिए. Relax your legs. Do not sit here. Keep it spine straight. Spine को सीधा रखिए. Move it, move it, move it. Move your knees up and down. Legs closer. Toes facing point. Flex your feet. धीरे, slowly. Toes facing point. And then flex your feet. Rotation, your ankle rotation, slowly, anti-clockwise, opposite rotation, and now relax everyone. Right leg on your left upper thigh, and very simply you have to be bent forward. Hold your left foot, flex your left foot. Spine should be straight, lengthen it and then try to be bent down. जितना आप जा पाए, just try कीजिए, कोशिश कीजिए. Try to down. 1, 2, breathing continuous. 4, 5 and then 6. Good. वापस आइए. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Come in the lotus pose from here. Left leg on your right upper thigh. Remember, if someone is having knee ankle pains, you all know you have to be avoiding. And after, simply just try to be bent forward again. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine, and then drop your head down. 1, 2, 3, जितना आप जा पाए. 4, 5 and then 6. Very good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Relax your leg. Now left leg on your right upper thigh. Another side. Same तरीके से, same way. You all know the half lotus pose. Ankle should be on your upper thigh. and then bend forward. The same. Pull the right foot, spine straight, and then try to be bent down. धीरे धीरे चाहिए, and you will have a very nice stretch in your right hamstring. Come on. 2, 3. Any level you feel it's enough. जहां भी आपको लगे this is enough, just stay. 4. Come on, come on, come on. 5, and focus more on the breath. 6, and relax everyone. वापस आइए. Come back. Inhale, exhale, relax. Again, lotus posture, right leg on your left upper thigh. Complete lotus pose. Padmasana. And after you had to be bent forward. The same which we did last time. जो हमने पिछली बार किया था. Come on. Suck your belly. Then down. ये नहीं you have to lift the hip. No. Keep pushing hip and knee. And then try to be bent down. जाइए. Stretch कीजिए आगे की तरफ. Keep stretching. Stay कीजिए. Hold it. 1. Breathing. 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Enough. आइए वापस. Come back. Inhale, exhale, relax. Relax your legs. Come in the butterfly. Hold your feet and swing your knees together. सभी कीजिए. Everyone do it, and little slowly when you start. जब आप शुरुआत करें तब थोड़ा धीरे कीजिए. Continuous, few more seconds, and spine straight, always. Few more seconds. Place your palm on your knee, and gently and smoothly you have to push your knee down. धीरे धीरे कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Done. Bend your both legs here and keep your right leg straight. Right leg को सीधा कर लीजिए. Right leg straight. Good. And then hold your left foot. Left foot को hold कर लीजिए. Maintain the spine straight. Push your lower spine inside and spine को सीधा कीजिए. Spine straight. Maintain this position. Good. Your stomach, your chest with your left thigh, and then lift your left leg up. कीजिए. Come on. And then try to go near to your left leg. Stay. 1. And this will be very much affect your hamstring flexibility. But do not be jerks and do not be give any kind of the jhatka and do not give jerks. Someone they cannot, so you can be try some towel or some stretch. You can be try with that. But main thing your spine should be straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. And from here, your left leg once again on the right upper thigh. रख लीजिए. Finger lock from back side. Inhale. Half lotus forward fold. And exhale. Bend forward. Remember, you have to try push your left knee and flex the right foot. And then धीरे slowly try to be go down. Try to go near to the right leg. Stay कीजिए. 1. Your stomach with the right thigh. 3, 4, 5, and down 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, now relax. वापिस आ जाइए. Again, right leg on your left upper thigh. दोबारा से. And then everyone, if you done the lotus posture, only you after you have to become in this posture. You have to be drop elbow, or you can lying down. But you have to be keep pushing the knee down against the floor. If someone they are not able to do the complete lotus pose, अगर आपका lotus pose नहीं हो पा रहा है किसी रीजन से, knee pain, ankle pain, hip stiffness, तो आपको लेटने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप सामने की तरफ जा सकते हैं. Bend forward. 3, 4, सभी ट्राई कीजिए. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Good. Drop your elbow and then come back in the sitting position. Let's try. Keep your legs straight. Relax your legs. Basic practice is a very gentle basic routine. So the same will go another side. So this time change your leg, your right leg. Right leg को bend कीजिए. Bend the right leg. Hold the right foot. First priority, first focus on the spine. Push the lower spine in. Push the lower spine in. So that you will try your stomach and the chest with the right thigh. यहाँ पर. And after, then you try to lift the right leg. Straight, 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 straight. And then try to go close to your right leg. Elbow closer, it's fine. Elbow open, it's fine. Anything you can be try. 1. कोशिश कीजिए. Keep trying to lock your right knee. 5, 6, 7, and then relax. Right leg put on your left upper thigh. वापिस आइए. We are more focused on the hamstring, but at the same time we have to also focus another part of stretch. So finger lock from back side. Inhale. Lift spine. Lift कीजिए spine को and lift your arms with the exhalation. सांस को बाहर निकालते हुए. Exhalation. Slowly try to be bend down. 1 breath. 2, 3. जितना आप कर पाए. Just do your maximum. Do your best. 3, 4. Cannot, you can hold the foot. 5 and now 6. Very good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. वापिस आ जाइए. Again, lotus posture from the left leg side. Nice. And same thing. If someone they cannot do the lotus pose, so they can do the simple, and then they can do the swastika, sukhasana, and then bend forward. And other student, they try option 1. You have to be focused more on the push the knee down. If your knee is lifting up, then you do not need to be lying down. If your knee is here, don't need to be lying down. You can drop elbow, then you can be try, because it will be affect your hip joint. 3, 4, come on everyone. 5, try कीजिए, keep trying. 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Okay, done. Drop your elbow and slowly come back everyone. वापिस आ जाइए. Good. Keep your legs straight and relax your legs. Move कीजिए. And again come back in the butterfly. आ जाइए. धीरे धीरे हम रूटीन में चलेंगे. So it will be safe practice without any injury. कीजिए butterfly. And now palm on the knee here. Inhale. And with the exhalation, try to be bent down. Spine straight, lengthen it. Same thing which we did in any kind of the forward fold posture. And then try 1, 2, down more. 4, 5, 6, 7, breathing, stay. 8, 9 and 10. Very nice. Inhale, come back. And exhale, then relax. Good. Bend your legs and keep your both legs straight. Done. Now we'll change the another routine. You have to bend the right leg under your hip. And the right foot a bit outside. थोड़ा सा बाहर निकाल लीजिए right foot. Knee closer now. Knee को close रखिए. Beautiful. And after that, was same practice which we did in the half lotus. Spine straight first, arms up, inhale and exhale. Then you have to be bent forward. Suck your belly in, push the lower spine in, and then slowly try to be bent down. Hold the left foot flex your foot and then try to touch your left leg. It is a very natural. When you are bending down, so your right hip will be going up. So you have to bring awareness. Awareness रखना आपको. Keep pushing the right hip down. 4, 5, 6, and then relax. आ जाइए वापस. Inhale and exhale, then relax. Good. And now same practice. अब उसी को हम change करेंगे जो हमने last time किया था. Again, bend your left leg. उसी routine से करेंगे. Bend the left leg and hug your left knee. Spine straight and then hold your left foot again. Pull the left foot. And same, lift your left leg up. Maintain the position and then try to touch your left leg. You're feeling challenging, difficult, so थोड़ा सा gap रख सकते हैं. But priority to keep your spine straight. Or you have the strap or you have the towel. You can be used for that. उसको भी आप use कर सकते हैं. And then try. लेकिन झटके नहीं मारने आपको. Do not keep the jerks like that. Stable. Whatever the position it is. 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. And from here, turn the left leg on the left side. Left leg को left की तरफ ले आइए. Nice. So first we'll go here very gentle side bending. Open your arms your shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale your left hand behind your left leg and then right arm straight over the head. A little keep your chest out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And from here you have to be turn on the left side. But remember, you also turn your spine on the left side. Hold the left foot, flex your foot and try to go and touch your left leg. Stay कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maintain it. 5, 6 and then relax everyone. वापस आ जाइए. Same posture we will change just a bit. So in this time you have to bend forward. Bending forward का भी routine same रहेगा जो हमने पहले किया था. Means same routine will be on the forward bending. Your spine will be straight and then you have to be bent forward. धीरे धीरे जाइए आप. Yes, धीरे धीरे जाइए. Arm straight. You can be drop elbow. You can be drop the chest. Good. But even you find that you can do a bit more than that. आपको लगता है कि आप इससे भी ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं. So in that case, you can be turn on your left leg side. You can be try. But this will be a bit intense. मुश्किल लगता है थोड़ा वापस आ जाइए. You have to find your level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then relax and then come back. वापस आइए. Return everything. Keep your left leg straight and then keep your right leg straight and relax your both legs. Relax कीजिए. Relax कीजिए. Same routine will go the another side. This is also very basic routine. This time we'll try from the left leg. So you have to bend your left leg under your hip. Left leg को bend कर लीजिए अंदर की तरफ. सभी कीजिए. Another thing, precautions you all knows. If someone is having the knee pain, so in that case you can have some kind of big towel, some kind of the block, so you can be put under the hip. No, so you can be try. And after that, bend forward, inhale, and exhale. Then try to be bend down for the right foot. Flex the right foot, and then try to touch your right leg. सेम थिंग यू हैव टू वर्क आउट. आपको स्पाइन को लेंथन करते रहना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Very good. Inhale, everyone, come back, arms up. And exhale, then just relax. Second practice, bend your right leg. Same routine will follow which we did from the left leg side. Hold your right foot. So remember, whatever the sequence practice you are doing, one thing is important, like your spine, it always straight. Maintain the position and then try to lift your right leg up. And after, depends on you, like how maximum you can pull your leg to your side. Here it's fine, you can do more, you can do more, you can do more, you can do more, you can do more. But remember, it should be within your limit. आपकी लिमिट के अंदर वो होना चाहिए. 4, 5, 6, and then relax. And after that, turn the right leg on the right side. बिल्कुल right की तरफ आपकी right leg. So first we'll go one gentle side bending, because even we are doing and we are focusing on the hamstring, but we also need to be cover some another part of the spine movement. दूसरे part की भी हमें थोड़ी बहुत practice करनी होगी. So open arms shoulder level. Right hand behind your right leg. And spine, chest little bit out. And then your left arm straight over the head. Keep the chest out. Come on. 1, 2, breathing, everyone. 5 and 6. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now turn on the right. जब आप right की तरफ turn करेंगे, when you turn on the right, so you also need to be focused on the spine. आपको spine movement भी change करना पड़ेगा. You need to be change the spine movement. And then hold the right foot, flex the right foot, and then try to touch your right leg. Remember, your both shoulders should be aligned. ये नहीं जाएगा आपका एक shoulder आगे जा रहा है, एक shoulder पीछे जा रहा है. No, you had to maintain both shoulder aligned. 3, 4, lock your knee. 5, 6, 7, and then relax and slowly just come back, everyone. वापिस आ जाइए. And after, same, you have to bend forward. Push your hip out, forward bending, you all know, you have to push the hip out, you have to be suck your belly and focus more on the spine straight. और उसके बाद धीरे, slowly, gently, you have to come in the pose. सभी कीजिए. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. आइए वापस. Come back, everyone. Come back. So here, keep your both legs straight and relax your both legs. Relax कीजिए, move कीजिए, move it. We'll change a little bit. We'll go some twisting practice. Open arms your shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, then turn on your left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left side.
I've been wanting to upgrade my closet room for a while, so I asked ChatGPT what I could do. It gave me a couple of pointers to follow, starting with decluttering the floor and color coordinating my clothes. After giving it some final touches, this is how my closet room looks now, and I'm actually very pleased to see how it turned out.
Inhale, come back, and exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, simply bend forward. Hold your feet and flex your feet and try to touch your both knees. जाइए. Stay कीजिए ना Paschimottanasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, and relax and come back. वापिस आइए, वापिस आ जाइए, वापिस आ जाइए. So here will a little change with the side hip opening movement. We will try. Open your both legs, your sidewise, everyone. आ जाइए. Side hip opening. Yes, side hip opening. And then just start giving a movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Okay, relax. So here we will try one time, which our main routine about the compass pose. Right leg inside, and just one time everyone will be drop. And the left leg. Left hand under your left leg and hold your left ankle or the toe. And then just try the complete compass posture. So this is up to you. You can be go down more and you can become close more. This is all up to you. आप ये कीजिए, one hand practice कीजिए, both hand practice कीजिए, whatever. और even cannot, so you also know कि उसका दूसरा modification क्या? What are the another modification to reach in this posture? कीजिए, stay कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Enough. वापिस आ जाइए. Same practice we will try from the another side. दूसरी तरफ से करेंगे. So this practice is combining with your hamstring flexibility and with your shoulder opening. So right leg on the right side. Now right hand under your right leg, and then hold your right ankle or right big toe. Same routine कीजिए. You all know. I already explained about the modifications and the sporting practice. कोई भी एक तैयारी कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then relax everyone. वापिस आ जाइए. Come back, come back, come back. वापिस आइए, वापिस आइए, वापिस आ जाइए. And after one more time, open your legs sidewise. Open the legs sidewise. आ जाइए. And then move your hip again. Give the same movement which we did last time. दोबारा कीजिए only 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Now I will take you the another practice for the hamstring focusing. So pigeon pose में आइए आप. Left leg and then turn on the left side only. One basic stretch here. You have to bend your right leg and hold the right leg with your left hand. And then just bend forward, heel to the hip, everyone, and just stay. Just for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. सभी कीजिए. 8, 9 and now 10. वापिस आ जाइए. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. And now same routine another side. आपकी right side की तरफ से. Right की तरफ से. Bend your left leg.
贅沢スイーツは楽天市場銀座千疋屋ピエールマルコリーニタンネリアサダハルア贅沢叶えるブランドスイーツ勢ぞろい送料無料楽天市場
Hold your left leg with your right hand. And then try to be bend down. जाइए नीचे जाइए. Stay कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and now 10. Okay guys, come back, come back, come back. So this was the one very basic routine practice in the pigeon. वापिस आ जाइए and just keep your both legs straight. Relax your legs. And from here, I will take you in the Supta Vajrasana. Bend your both legs under your hip. And just keep your knee closer, but your feet should be outside, like that. So that your hip can come in between your both feet. This one. Same thing when we do the Vajrasana, if you are having the pain in the knee or ankle, then you can be try. Yes. Stay, stay, stay. Good. And after, if you are able to do this posture, then we will become exact Supta Vajrasana. Means you can place your arms behind, you can be drop elbow, or you can be even lying with the back. You can be try even here, or even namaste. But not you have to be open the knee. You have to be keep close your knee. Means आपको knee को मिला के रखना है. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Drop your elbow and then come back in the sitting position. And from sitting position, we will come in the downward facing dog. From here, अब यहाँ से हमारी दूसरी sequence start होगी. From here, we will start our next sequence. So come in the downward facing dog. Your legs, your arms, and your spine straight. EJ. Good. One time drop the knee and just one time upward facing dog just for the spinal stretch. Open shoulder and look up. Good. One more time. Downward facing dog. Your legs out, spine straight. Good. And then your left leg in between your both arms and drop your right knee. Right knee को drop कीजिए. Place your palm on the left knee. Good. So first time just hip down and up. 1, 2, 3, just 20 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. And from here, keep your left leg straight, flex the left foot, and then try to touch your left leg. EJ, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Very good. Come back, everyone. Again, bend the left leg, and this time bend the right leg also. Right leg को भी bend कर लीजिए. So this is also the same routine जो हम कर चुके हैं पहले भी. तो आपको इसमें you can be hold the leg here. Depends on your flexibility. आपका कितना आप इसके अंदर और deep जा सकते हैं. You can be hold here. You can be hold here. Even you can be pull the leg in this way. Or even you can be hold in your elbow. Make namaste. Make the finger lobe. Or even the arm straight. So any position you can be maintain. One, कोशिश कीजिए कोई भी एक modification try करने के लिए. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10, and come back everyone. So this time we will go a little intense stretch in the pigeon. तो हमने last time किया था, that was quite very basic, but this time we'll go a little bit intense than before. So in that practice you have to be take your left hand
तुझसे दूर जो होता हूँ टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सोता हूँ आंखों में पिरोता हूँ मैं रातें तुझसे दूर जो होता हूँ खुद को जैसे खोता हूँ होठों पे समझौता हूँ तेरी बातें
under your left leg इस तरीके से left hand under the left leg, and after your left leg will be turned on the right side. तो right की तरफ ऐसे आएगा this way. Remember this can be a bit intense. एक बार आप देख लीजिए. First you look at me, after that you can be try. Left leg turn कीजिए right की तरफ. उसके बाद you have to be push your right leg back. Right leg को पीछे लेके जाना ऐसे धीरे धीरे, झटके से नहीं करना. Never give the jerks. Good. And after कोशिश कीजिए just try to drop your elbow. थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट कर लीजिए अपनी लेफ्ट लेग को, एंड देन यू विल सी योर लेफ्ट नी इज गोइंग अप. लेफ्ट नी को पुश कीजिए. यू नीड टू पुश द लेफ्ट नी डाउन. आल्सो योर राइट हिप इज गोइंग अप, सो यू हैव टू बी आल्सो फोकस एंड एडजस्ट योर राइट हिप. राइट हिप आल्सो यू हैव टू पुश डाउन. ऐसे नहीं जाएगा. नॉट बी हियर, नॉट बी सिंक लाइक हियर. यू हैव टू बी पुश द राइट हिप अप, राइट हिप डाउन, एंड देन स्ट्रेट. So it will be very intense stretch in your left hamstring. This is the one practice. Another practice, if you can, another practice will be more intense than that. You can bend the right leg and then try to hold the right leg right in and then try. So it will become more intense than before. So this is like the option 3. This is the option 2. Anyone feeling still, so they can try in the simple pigeon position. The one leg without it. Come on, now you all try. कोशिश कीजिए. I'm giving you some time. Try. Take the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. वापिस आ जाओ. Come on, come back everyone. Come back. I am preparing you all because these still we are on the basic routine. These all are the something very warm up practices, some basic asana sequence which much help you take you on the advanced level. Because if I take you directly on the front split and that, so it can be become very intense, or even it can be cause of any injury. So we will do the same routine another side. आइए. This time your right leg in between the arms. ये बेसिक है. इसके बाद हम थोड़ा सा और इंटेंस पर जाएंगे. Come on, both hands on the right leg, right knee. Remember, your both hips should be square, aligned. आगे पीछे नहीं होगा वो. It should be not go front and back. And धीरे धीरे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Got it. And then right leg straight. Everyone try to be bent down and try to touch your right leg. Stay कीजिए. 1. Make sure you have to lock your right knee. 5, 6, hip square, 8, 9, and then 10. Good. Again, bend the right leg. Same practice and the same modifications options you have. तो अब की बार right elbow, right knee, जो हमने पिछली बार किया था, other left side की तरफ से. Bend the left leg, you can pull the leg to your side and you can be stay. Here with elbow you can be stay, palm together you can be stay, whatever you can. 1, 2, कीजिए आप कीजिए. 3, 4, stay कीजिए. 5, थोड़ा सा कीजिए. 7, 8, 9, and then 10. वापिस आ जाइए. So this time again I will take you back in the pigeon. Pigeon का ये थोड़ा सा intense जाएगा, but still I'll give you 3-4 more options. Right hand under the right leg. Right leg को turn कीजिए left की तरफ. You have to move the right leg on the left side. After left leg, you have to put a bit more back. थोड़ा सा और पीछे लेके जाइए. Drop your right elbow, right leg inside hip. Not be drop. You have to push the hip down, especially your left hip. ऐसे नहीं गिरेगा वो. You have to push it down and then just stay. So this is the one practice. Still is very much enough, but you feel some student maybe they feel they have a very good flexibility, so they can be try with the bend the left leg more. But ये नहीं कि left leg you are bending around, you are falling down like this. ऐसे नहीं करना. Do not practice with this way. You have to still pushing the hip and then you have to be try. 4, 5, keep smiling. 8, 9, and then 10, and relax. Go back. वापिस आ जाइए. Keep your legs straight first. Relax कीजिए. Relax. Move your legs. Move your legs. Move it. We'll practice once again twisting. Then again we'll try. Open arms, your shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, turn on the left. Inhale and exhale, turn on the right. Inhale, exhale, turn on the left. Inhale and exhale, turn on the right. Inhale, come back and exhale, bend forward, hold your feet, relax your feet and just stay. Spine should be straight. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Enough. आ जाइए वापस. Now I will take you same routine जो हमने last time किया था, but this time the routine will be much intense than the last time. आ जाइए. Come in the downward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Now left leg in between arms. And this time both hands on your left knee.